All right, guys, we got some new parts. And this time, it's for the POS OBS. What do we got here? Some TBM brakes. That's right. The all new TBM street brakes. You'll get this puppy stopping even better, but also shedding some weight. So, let's open it up. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Oh, nice. I got some stickers and some very nice stuff right here. What is this? Disclaimer, warnings, bleeding instructions, braking process. Nice. This is everything that comes in the box. Moving on. Let's see what we got over here. We got some brackets right there. I'm gonna take everything out, but these are very light. I'll billet. Pretty sure this whole box weighs less than one side. And this is for both fronts. Probably weighs less than just one side right now. This is all for the hub. Oh, that's the motor right there. Should be some right here. Let me open it. Here we got the studs. Hose. Bearings. None of this, so just gonna quick look. We got a bunch more hardware, washers, bolts. Little sneak peek on the rotor. And here's the moment of truth. Nice box. New TBM XS3. I think I said SB3 for some reason. That's XS3. Nice packaging. Nice. That's very nice. Decided to go blue because why not? Brake pads are right here. Nice. And then the calipers. Oh, they're so light. It looks so good. Hell yeah. So far I'm impressed. Quality is great. They're super light. I was originally waiting to go big brake. I wanted to go big old brakes, but I'm like, just add weight. When these came out, I just say, yo, let's just go with these. They're gonna stop better than what I have. They're gonna drop a bunch of weight. Yeah. And they're gonna look good while doing it. I'm excited to throw them on. I'm not sure if it will be the first OBS with TBM brakes. It might be. I mean, they barely came out. I bought them on pre-order, got shipped out. Maybe there's some out there, pre-production, or no, maybe someone agreed to it. It's not about that, but I might be the first one.